I'm going to show you the most important job interview questions for accountants, let you know what employees are looking for when they ask these questions, show you an example answer, and show you how to create the best possible answer for your specific circumstances. Not a generic answer, the best answer for you. 73% of job seekers say that looking for a job is one of the most stressful events in life. 39% of candidates leave a bad impression due to their overall confidence level. So if your livelihood literally depends on performing well in a job interview, and the key to a good job interview is confidence, how do you increase confidence? You walk into the interview knowing that you have a good answer for all of the most common interview questions. This is a list of the 50 most common interview questions. I'm obviously using One Click Worker. It's free, there's a link in the description so you can follow along if you like. You don't have to learn how to use anything, just start by saying hi. It'll ask you to enter your resume and the job description for the job you're applying for. Then just select a question you want to answer. You can adjust it, add specific instructions, or leave it as it is. Then click Submit. The AI will generate a custom answer based on your resume and the specific job you're applying for. And for 90% of you, this will be better than the answer you can come up with. I've picked out the top 10 interview questions based on relevance, frequency, and significance. Let's answer them now with the help of my digital twin.
Question: can you tell me about yourself and your accounting background? Employers look for an overview of your professional journey, relevant experiences, key achievements, and your suitability for the role. Example answer: I have a bachelor's degree in accounting and over 5 years of experience working in accounting roles across various industries. In my previous role at XYZ Corporation, I handled tasks such as managing accounts payable and receivable, preparing financial statements, and conducting financial analyses to aid in budgeting decisions. One of my key achievements was identifying a major discrepancy that saved the company over $50,000 annually. I am detail-oriented, proficient with accounting software like QuickBooks and SAP, and committed to maintaining accuracy in my work. Question: why did you choose accounting as your profession? Employers look for insights into your motivation, interest in accounting, and whether your passion aligns with the role. Example answer: I chose accounting because I have always had a strong affinity for numbers and solving complex problems. The field of accounting allows me to combine my analytical skills with my desire to contribute to an organization's financial health. I find it fulfilling to help companies streamline their financial processes and ensure compliance with regulations, which ultimately supports their growth and stability. Question: what accounting software are you familiar with? Employers look for familiarity with industry standard tools and any special expertise you might have. Example answer: I am proficient in various accounting software, including QuickBooks, SAP, Oracle Financials, and Microsoft Dynamics GP. In my most recent role, I use QuickBooks for daily bookkeeping and Oracle Financials for more comprehensive financial reporting and analysis. I am also comfortable with Microsoft Excel for creating detailed financial reports and pivot tables. Question: how do you ensure accuracy in your work? Employers look for attention to detail, systematic approaches to minimizing errors, and reliability. Example answer: to ensure accuracy in my work, I utilize a double-check system where I review my entries and calculations multiple times before finalizing any reports. I also make use of accounting software features, such as audit trails, to track changes and identify discrepancies. Regularly reconciling accounts and cross-referencing financial data with supporting documents is another critical part of my process to maintain accuracy. Question: describe a time when you identified a significant error in financial statements. Employers look for problem-solving skills, attention to detail, and ability to manage critical situations. Example answer: in my previous role, I was reviewing the quarterly financial statements and noticed that the depreciation expense seemed unusually high. Upon further investigation, I discovered that depreciation had been calculated incorrectly for a batch of recently acquired fixed assets. After identifying the root cause, I corrected the depreciation schedule and updated the financial statements. This correction not only improved the accuracy of our financial reporting, but also impacted our tax calculations positively. Question: what methods do you use to reduce errors in your accounting tasks? Employers look for strategies for minimizing mistakes and enhancing accuracy. Example answer: I focus on creating standardized processes and checklists for all repetitive tasks to ensure consistency. I also use automated tools within accounting software to handle routine calculations and reconciliations. Regular training and updates on best practices also help in reducing errors. Additionally, I perform regular audits and reviews to catch and correct any discrepancies promptly. Question: describe a challenging accounting project you worked on and how you managed it. Employers look for project management skills, problem-solving abilities, and resilience under pressure. Example answer: One challenging project was during a system migration where I had to transfer all financial data from our legacy accounting software to a new, more advanced system. This required meticulous planning, data cleaning, and validation. I managed the project by collaborating closely with the IT department, creating a detailed project timeline, and conducting multiple testing phases. Despite several challenges, we successfully completed the migration with minimal downtime and ensured data integrity throughout the process. Question: how do you handle tight deadlines and pressure in your accounting duties? Employers look for time management skills, ability to perform under pressure, and prioritization techniques. Example answer: when faced with tight deadlines, I first break down the work into smaller, manageable tasks and prioritize them based on urgency and impact. I employ time-blocking techniques to focus on specific tasks without interruptions and use project management software to track progress. Communication is key, so I ensure that team members are aware of timelines and any potential bottlenecks. By staying organized and maintaining a proactive approach, I can effectively manage pressure and meet deadlines without compromising the quality of my work. Question: how do you keep up to date with accounting laws and regulations? Employers look for commitment to continuous learning and ensuring compliance with evolving standards. Example answer: I subscribe to industry publications like the Journal of Accountancy and routinely participate in webinars and workshops offered by professional organizations such as the AICPA. I am also a member of several online forums and accounting groups where professionals discuss recent changes in regulations. Additionally, I allocate time each month to review updates from regulatory bodies like the FASB and IRS to ensure that I am always informed about the latest changes impacting the accounting field. 7. Question: can you explain the difference between accounts payable and accounts receivable? Employers look for fundamental accounting knowledge and clarity in explanation. Example answer: accounts payable represent the company's obligation to pay off short-term debts to its creditors or suppliers, essentially the money we owe others for goods and services purchased on credit. On the other hand, accounts receivable represent the money owed to our company by customers who have purchased our goods or services on credit. Managing both efficiently is crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow.
You can also do role-play interviews with a voice conversation with AI. I've created a demo and a separate video on this channel. The link's in the description. If you're still applying for jobs, you can also generate custom cover letters in less than a minute, so you can literally create 30 cover letters in 30 minutes. And these letters will be better than the letters that 90% of you can create, even after spending an hour on each one. You can also get career development advice based on your specific circumstances. By the time you watch this video, there'll be even more features. If you're an employer or a recruiter, we also provide a lot of tools and content for you on One Click Worker. They'll help you increase your productivity and achieve better results. You can start using it free. Given that your entire livelihood depends on getting this right, it's a pretty small price to pay. This is the most advanced and easiest to use interview preparation tool on the planet. The link's in the description. As the saying goes, you will not be replaced by AI. You will be replaced by someone that uses AI.